Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Chime to bank account. So let's get started. First of all, you could open Chime application on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, tap on the Move Money section. This is where you can manage transfers and move funds between accounts. Next, you're going to choose the option for bank transfers or transferring funds. If you haven't connected an external bank yet, you'll be prompted to add one. This allows you to link accounts from other banks such as Chase, Wells Fargo, Capital One, and many others. So follow the instructions to connect your external account securely using Plaid, which is the verification service used to link banks safely. You'll simply sign in using your other bank's online banking credentials and the connection will be completed automatically. After the bank account has been linked, enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Before submitting the request, review the transfer details carefully, including the amount, destination account, and selected bank. Standard transfers from Chime to an outside bank account usually take around 3 to 5 business days, depending on the receiving bank's processing time. Once you're ready, tap the transfer button to send the funds. You'll receive a confirmation message inside the app, and you can monitor the transfer status anytime through the transfer history section. If you need quicker access to your money, Chime also supports instant transfers to eligible debit cards, although additional fees may apply. Another option is connecting your account with services like Cash App or PayPal for faster transfers between accounts. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.